Alright, so today we have a pretty simple derivation of the Pythagorean identity. So that's basically the Pythagorean theorem, but like using trig. Like, the identity sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. Right, so we're going to be deriving that. So to do that, I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to draw a triangle, right? So I draw a triangle like this. And it's going to be a right triangle, so we can actually use the Pythagorean theorem. This is not a good right triangle at all, but whatever. It's a right triangle. Alright, so a right triangle here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the hypotenuse is equal to 1, right? We're just gonna set the hypotenuse equal to 1. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make this, right? We're gonna denote this angle with a theta, right? So that's a theta. Now, knowing the hypotenuse and this angle theta, we can find the other two sides using trig, right? So I'm not gonna do the SOHCAHTOA, you can verify that for yourself. But I won't say, I know that this side, the vertical side, is sine of theta, right? And you can do the SOHCAHTOA for yourself to verify this. So this side is sine of theta, this side is cosine theta, right? So sine theta, cosine theta, this is 1. Now, really, there's not much after this. Just use the Pythagorean theorem, right? Because right triangle, so sum of the squares of these two sides, right, is equal to the square of this side. So we end up getting sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. So that's really it, honestly. Like, that's the derivation of the Pythagorean identity. It's basically the Pythagorean theorem, but like, we use trig. So that's basically it, really. Really important identity, this one. Sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals to 1. And next video, I'll show you how to derive the other two versions of this identity. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.